Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator 9 power 5 plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 3 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. So, this is 5. We can express it as 4 plus 1. We have 9 power 4 plus 1 plus 9 power 4 plus 9. This is 3. I can express it as 2 plus 1 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. Now, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here and here, I have 9 power 4 times 9 plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 2 times 9 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. So from here, I can factor out 9 power 4. I have here and here. I have 9 power 4 times this divides 9 power 4. I have 9 plus 9 power 4 divides 9 power 4. I have 1 plus I factor out 9 power 2 times this divides 9 power 2 of 9 plus 9 power 2 divides 9 power 2. I have 1 plus 9. So from here, I have 9 power 4 times 9 plus 1. That is 10 plus 9 power 2 times 9 plus 1. That is 10 plus 9. So from here, I factor out 10. This divides this. I have 9 power 4 plus this divides 10. I have 9 power 2 plus 9. So from here, I have 10 times 9 power 4. Can express it as 9 power 2 times 2 plus 9 power 2. This is plus 9. From here, I have 10 times this. I can express as 9 power 2 to the power of 2 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. So from here, what we are going to do will be to factor out 9 power 2 because there's 9 power 2, there's 9 power 2. I have 10 times this is 9 power 12. This is 9 power 2 plus 9 power 2 divides 9 power 2. I have 1. And this is plus 9. So that means what we have here is simply 10 times 9 power 2, that's 9 times 9. That is 81 times 9 power 2, that is 81 plus 1. And this is plus 9. So from here, we have 10 times 81 times 81 plus 1, 82 plus 9. So from here, I have 81 times 82. I have 10 times, I can express this as 80 plus 1 times 80 plus 2, that is 82. And we have plus 9. At this point, I can say let x equals 80. So this will be 10 times x plus 1 times x plus 2 plus 9. So let's expand this. X plus 1 times x plus 2 is equal to x times x, that is x squared, plus x times 2, that's 2x plus 1 times x, that's x plus 1 times 2, that is 2. From here we have this is x squared plus 3x plus 2. And from here, our x is 80. So we are going to have 80 squared plus 3 times 80 plus 2. So 8 times 8, that is 64. This will be 6400 plus 3 times 8, 24. That's 240 plus 2. So 240 plus 2, 242. So this is 6400 plus 242. So this will likely give us 62466642. So that means we are going to multiply that by 10. Then we add 9 to it. We have 10 times 6642 plus 9. So if you multiply 10 times 6642, this will give you 6642 times 10. 0 times 2, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 6, 0, 0 times 6, 0. 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 6 again, 6. So we add up. This is 0, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 6. So you have 66420. So the next thing you are going to do will be to add 9 to this. So we have 66420. Then we have plus 9. Now we have 0 plus 9. That is 9. We bring down the 2. We bring down this 4 again. Remember, we have brought down the 2. We bring down the 6. And we also bring down the 6. So this becomes our answer for 9 power 5 plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 3 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. This equals 66,429. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. Ladies and gentlemen, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and see you in our next video. Don't forget also to drop a comment. I really appreciate it when you drop a comment. So that is it. Thank you guys. The final answer right here equals 66429.